Today we're cooking chicken wings. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Cut your chicken wings at the joint and remove the tips. Throw away the tips and add your chicken wings to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, salt, pepper. Now you can add any spices that you like. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Mix that all together. Take a baking sheet, place a wire rack on top, and place the wings on top of that. Put the chicken wings in the oven for 20 minutes. Whilst we're waiting, I'm going to make some buffalo sauce to go with the chicken wings. The buffalo sauce is really simple, you actually only need 2 ingredients. Heat a small saucepan on a low heat, add some hot sauce and a knob of butter. Stir in the butter until it melts. Bring the sauce to a boil and let it simmer for a little bit until it thickens. Once the sauce is thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the sauce rest. Once the chicken wings are done in the oven, flip them over. Cook the chicken wings on the other side for another 30 minutes. Once the wings are done, take them out the oven and switch the oven to grill. Transfer half the wings into the pan with the buffalo sauce in. And just mix the wings around so that they get coated in the buffalo sauce. Transfer the rest of the wings to another bowl. Add a generous amount of barbecue sauce and mix it around so the wings are all evenly coated. Transfer the wings back to the rack and just grill them until they caramelize. Watch the wings very closely so that they don't burn. Once the wings are caramelized, remove them from the grill and then they are ready to serve. I serve my wings with some sweet potato mash and fresh avocado.